Let's take a look at how to install apps on one of these Kindle Fires. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that we're connected to NEISD Guest. If you haven't already agreed to the terms and conditions on NEISD Guest, you may get an exclamation point there that you have to solve. Next, we're going to open up Google Chrome and make sure all tabs are closed so that when we open up our QR code scanner, we can simply scan the code like this, and you'll get a little screen where you can click on Open, or you can go ahead and click on that link up at the top. This will open up that app in Google Chrome, download it, and ask you if you want to save it. You do want to get it, and then open it, and then you will install it. If you need to, swipe down from the top to find that test APK or whatever your APK is. If the install button cannot be pressed, simply put the Kindle Fire to sleep and then wake it back up again, and you should be able to install. The install process can take as long as 30 seconds. We'll go ahead and skip forward. Once it's done installing, you can open up your app and run it, and you'll see if it works or not. Then, of course, it's on the screen there. So if you press and hold, you'll be able to uninstall in the upper right-hand corner. That will keep things cleared up, especially if it's not a working app. And then once it's uninstalled, you can actually delete the file that's stored on the device because it's still there, it's just not installed anymore. ES File Explorer is one of the free programs that will let you do that. So I'm going to swipe over here to the right and look for my download folder, and you can see Test APK there. You can even install it from here if you just press on it, but you can also press and hold, and then that delete button at the bottom will work for you. And that clears things out. Every once in a while we'll go in there and need to clear out the original files.